Welcome to your SkyPlug Smart Retrofit Kit unboxing. Upon opening your SkyPlug Smart box, you will find an installation manual, a quick start guide with 4 QR codes. The top 2 are for your Sky Home app. Scan these to download the app onto your phone. The third is a quick overview video. The last is your unique QR code for your SkyPlug Smart device. Please keep this for later use. The SkyPlug Smart Retrofit Kit includes the following: a smart controller, a decorative canopy in the finish that you have selected, a Sky outlet with a cover plate, a cover plate cap to close up the receptacle when not in use, jumper leads in case you have multiple wires of the same color in the outlet box, and lastly, mounting hardware that includes finials and adapters for connecting the SkyPlug Smart device to your specific hanging light fixture.